Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram message notification is not showing up. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you need to make sure of is your app is updated. So go to Play Store and type in Instagram. Here, if it says open, then your app is updated. But if it says update, then you need to update your app. The second thing that you have to do is to go to the app, then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the hamburger icon top right. Choose Setting and Privacy and tap on Notifications. Now turn off these options. Then tap on Messages and make sure that message requests, messages, and message reminders are all turned on. In case none of these things work, then you need to clear app cache. So go to App Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose Apps. After that, tap on Manage Apps. Scroll all the way down till you get to Instagram. So tap on it. Now tap on Clear Data, then Clear Cache. And for some, you're gonna find the offload option. So simply tap on it, then reinstall the app. And this is it. This is how to fix Instagram message notification are not showing up. Thanks for watching. See ya.